We all know that during the winter months, flu is on the rise. COVID is due to do the same thing as well. I think just don't become complacent and continue to protect all the residents, yeah. It's a 30-bed home, but at present we've got 25 residents. So we've got a ratio of 20 nursing and 10 residential, so it's mixed needs. From some just little bit of assistance throughout the day to others who are fully dependent on the care staff. Especially the ones with breathing issues or heart problems, a flu can be a killer. It can be a killer. Inevitably, it came into the care home and it just wiped through. Yeah, I think we lost 6 in 2 weeks, 6 residents in 2 weeks. I think we need to remember how hard the times were, and it's only eased off because we've been having the vaccines, and we need to continue to boost that and just protect the residents and stop it getting as bad as that again. Side effects only last a couple of days. You'll get a sore arm, perhaps a headache, just feel a little bit under the weather. But ideally, you know, that's just a small sacrifice to make to continue to protect the vulnerable residents and adults here. Yeah.